It's Juhannus weekend, a long weekend. We are in Hossa in eastern Finland. What's on the agenda? Definitely some fishing and sleeping in the tent and camping and hopefully some pancakes over the open fire. And let's see if we see any fish.
Tämän palvelun hinta on 13 euroa ja 2 senttiä. Kiitos soitostanne. Kuulemiin.
Falling behind, are we lost? When you see her in a little world.
It's really nice day. Today is Juhannus Eve here in Finland. So Juhannus is like a midsummer celebration here in Finland. And we are in Hossa National Park. It's a place where I've spent so many summers as a kid, so it's nice to be back here. And today, like just now, we are at Lounatkoski river. We've seen few small graylings, quite many small graylings. I haven't managed to caught any of them on the camera, so I've always been too slow and too far. But it's a lovely day. It's so warm today, like super sunny, real summer day. So not the best to be out fishing, but either way it's really nice. The waters are still quite cold because it's June. So really nice. What's the problem with these sunshiny, lovely days is that if you're wearing your jacket and everything, waders and all, it's so hot. But if you are not, there's like a million mosquitoes here. But it's awesome.
Are we lost? When you see her in a little world, she's taking her time, and the cold won't be able to harm her no more. Set in motion, who's gonna face her?
Right, so I always want and try to see the positive side of things. So if you happen to have leaking waders, they are really nice when it's a hot day and you can go to the to the river, and it's nice and cool when you have actually like really leaking waders. So I recommend that if it's a sunny and nice day.
And my music's where I belong. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. You're the music in my headphones.
If it's a clear and sunshiny day, I like fishing with a golden streamer. The main reason why I like it is that it's so easy to see where it actually goes, so it's kind of easy to comprehend where the fish could be and where the fly is actually going at the moment. So okay, I think this black cloud is the end of our nice summer day. We might have thunder pretty soon.
Music in my headphones. Who's gonna face the music in my headphones?
Okay, it's officially the end of our sunshiny summer day, and now it's our rainy summer day.
Who's gonna face the music in my headphones? Who's gonna face the music in my headphones? Who's gonna face the music in my headphones?
like 11:15, so almost midnight. Sun is setting. There's still some sunlight there. The whole point with this Midsummer Juhannus thing is to celebrate the nightless night when the sun doesn't set here in the north. I like to go to bed really early, so for me it's tough, but I try to stay up until midnight. Yeah, I can do that. If you thought this is a crazy enough experiment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are outdoorsy and fly fishing minded person, click over to kajanaclub.com and get a free gift when you join my inner circle.